My name is Yolanda Wright. I bought my house in 1986 after separating from my husband. Um, at that time, I was in the Philadelphia. I just graduated from the Philadelphia Police Academy, so I had one child. So I was starting off single parenthood, and um, I was looking for a home for us. We were staying in my mother's building in an apartment, and I wanted a home for my child because of the structure of the police department at the time. We worked the full clock, so I needed a support system. So my mother lived around the corner, as did my sister. So that was my support system. And my mother had a beauty shop around the corner. So one of her customers came in and said, well, my cousin is selling his house. So she said, well, I'll tell my daughter. And I came around and I said, oh, this is perfect. It's close, There's only one side of houses, so you have less possible problems than if you have two sides. So I said, this is perfect for me. The rest, as they say, is history. I've been trying to fix it up a little bit at a time, but you fix one thing, something else breaks. So I was in here one day, and my neighbor Gail knocked on the door and said that there was a program and that they had brought, come around and spoke on the program and dropped off papers. I'm a little cynical of things that, for me, just seemed too good to be true. And it seemed really too good to be true. The program did. And then when they said, well, we need, your paperwork, your income, your deed and everything. And I was like, wait a minute, hold on, because it's no secret that a lot of seniors lose their homes through scams and false programs and all kinds of things. So I was like, I don't know. And then everyone I met along the way really instilled confidence in me in the program. I can honestly say, and excuse me if I tear up, because I have been, the things that they repair, I have been praying on for the last 4 years. Right now, I feel like the most blessed person